Hello friends, my name is Josna Suradi. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today my subject is a hair dye. This is the market plan strategy for subject marketing management. Name of a product: organic natural hair dyes. The best natural hair dyes to color your hair. All about natural hair dye powder. How to use powder to dye your hair naturally. All about natural hair dye henna. Best hair color used in India is L'Oreal Paris, Revlon, Beau Blunt, Color Matte, Indica, Black Rose, Garnier Color Natural, Godrej Expert, Big A, Strick Insta, We Care, Joey's, Banjaras. It's all products are using our Indians. The hair colorant market has a two distinct segment: the professional coloring service offered by salons and the at home hair color market. All the hair colors have over 20 harmful chemicals present in them. Using them on regular may cause itchy scalp, dandruff, excessive hair fall, and in some rare cases dermatitis and skin cancer. So throw these toxin laden black powder out of the window, as they do not deserve to be part of our grooming kit. Some of hair dye color does not have a color mention on package, although this hair color do come with a warning. Organic natural hair dyes to color your hair. These dyes not only perform the responsibility of coloring your hair, but are also known to contain components that could benefit your hair to a great extent. These belong to the category of renowned beauty herbs that are used in India and many tropical nations for their cooling effect. It was first used for body art more than 5,000 years ago. Today, it's a well known natural hair dye. Other than covering the grays, henna provides your trees with shine and bounce, making your hair easily manageable. Henna also works as a suitable conditioner by covering the hair strands and safeguarded them from external environmental damages. Other market product ingredient through use: light liquid paraffin, butylene, diamine, ammonium hydroxide, EDTA, dyes, phenoldiamine. It's a other market product causes itchy scalp, dandruff, hair fall, dermatitis, cancer. These all are causes to order market product. Organic natural hair dye ingredient: herbs. Sage. Sage is an amazing herb that can help you to natural dye your hair without any side effect. Sage can darken the hair, hence those with the lighter hair shades will find their hair color dependent after using these herbs. Second is a coffee. It can help to give a conditioning effect. Tea. Using tea can darken your hair strands by 2 to 3 shades and thereby cover the gray area. These all ingredients added with henna. Beetroot and carrot. Also using with henna, carrot and beetroot are two ingredients that have the potentially to give your hair a reddish or orange tint. Maintaining benefit of benefit of natural hair dye: maintaining the health of the scalp. Henna contains antifungal and antimicrobial properties. It even cleanses the hair thoroughly and remove impurities. Ensure the balance of a pH level. Henna even balance the pH, encourages folies and maintains the oil production, reduce hair fall. The improved scalp health and well maintained pH levels allow a perfect environment for the growth of thicker treasures. Repair the hair. The ingredient present in henna can repair damaged hair and provide enriched nourishment by selling the cuticles of your hair and hence providing uh, lustrous hair locks. Provides conditioning to the hair. Henna works by building up protective barriers around the hair shaft. This property aids to lock the moisture content and condition the hair. This all conclusion again is a beautiful natural process, and the graying of hair is a part of this natural process. You can choose to embrace this change. However, if you like to maintain your hair's natural black or brown color, we strongly urge you to take care of younger long term health of your hair by choosing only the best quality natural hair dye. Organic natural hair dye kit to get natural black color without damaging your hair. You can use these natural dyes every month without worrying about hair damage. Thank you.